I start our day in the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and the merciful. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Me, Farah Anwar, your drawing teacher here, and today we are going to start our drawing class. Okay, before starting the class, there is just some very important instruction, beta. So listen carefully. During class, be attentive and listen carefully. Feed your ID and password properly with your name and class. That will help us to make your attendance because beta attendance is mandatory. Okay, beta. Students, today topic is object drawing, and we have these object drawing. Number one is boat, and number two is bag. Number three is pomegranate. Do you know what is pomegranate? Yes, anar. Okay. Now these are the new topic in object drawing. Inshallah, we will draw and learn how to make this topic. But students, before moving towards the new topic, I would like to share what is the object drawing. A drawing which describes or shows the visible and the real life content in drawing is called object drawing. A drawing which is described जो हमें बताती है and show the visible जो नजर आती है चीजें real life में जो content बताती है that is called the object drawing. For example, different type of the shapes, different types of the lines. Every object drawing have the different type of the shapes and different type of the lines. Every object drawing made with the help of the different shapes and different lines. Object drawing can further be specified and the enhanced, described by adding the color. For example, if you draw a apple, how can you identify it is the apple? Okay, the drawing will be explained that that is the apple. But if you're doing the color, red color in the apple, that is the enhance the object, that is the apple. Okay, so the object drawing further be specified and enhanced by adding the color. कोई भी drawing आप करते हैं तो अगर आप उसमें colors करते हैं तो वो उस diagram को और मजीद explain करता है. Instruction before drawing. When you are doing the any type of the drawing, please follow this instruction. Availability of the complete drawing instrument. You must have your all the instruments just like the pencil, drawing pencils, scales, ruler, and eraser. Okay, beta. You must have your pencil box, color pencil box, ruler, razor, and sharpener. Your pencil should be sharp. Okay? आपकी पेंसिल बिल्कुल sharp होनी चाहिए. Drawing must be clean and clear. When you are going to draw any type of the object drawing, your drawing should be clean and clear. Try to draw your drawing in center of the paper. Okay? And utilize the complete size of your paper. When you are doing the any type of the drawing, you should draw the drawing in the center of the paper and utilize the complete size of the paper. Sometimes students draw the diagram in the side of the paper. It is not right. So draw the any type of the drawing in the center of the paper. और पूरे पेपर को आपको यूटिलाइज करना है, पूरा पेपर आपको इस्तेमाल करना है. Hold pencil far from the tip. Sometimes some students hold the pencil in a very near to the tip. So hold pencil far from the tip. अपनी पेंसिल को थोड़ी सी उसकी जो टिप है उसको दूर से पकड़े. ठीक है? For this is the tip of the drawing beta. ठीक है? And for coloring, color जब आप करने लगे तो always start coloring from the light colors to dark ones. It means that when you are draw the colors, first you draw the light part of the drawing. For example, if you draw the clock, in the center of the clock, the color should be in the light colored. For example, in the yellow color, and the boundaries of the colors are dark. So first you color light color and after that the dark ones. कोई भी चीज़ आप बनाना है और उसमें अगर डार्क एंड लाइट कलर्स का कॉम्बिनेशन है तो बेटा हमेशा लाइट कलर्स पहले यूज करें और फिर डार्क कलर करें. ओके. First of all, color the inside of the outline. Okay. First of all, color the inside of the outline. When you are starting the color, you should color outline of the object. Okay. Now, what is this? Everybody have the scale. Okay. You have the scale. So, pick your scale on your hand. जल्दी से अपने scale को देखिए. Before starting the any type of the drawing, I will give the instruction. This drawing have a 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, draw the line 9 centimeter. So some students have the problem. What is the centimeter and how we draw the centimeter lines? So you have the scale, this type of the scale. For example, you will going to draw the any type of the line 7 centimeter. So you will draw 0 to 7 line. Okay. Put the scale on the copy and draw the line 0 to 7 number. Okay. It means that this is the centimeter line 1 to 7. If you are going to draw 9 centimeter line, you will draw with the help of the scale 0 to 8 line. Okay, beta? Any confusion? Okay. I hope every student cleared this confusion. Review of the previous class. But some students missed their class, so I will going to quick review of the previous class. कुछ बच्चों ने पिछली क्लास नहीं ली थी, तो हम छोटे से एक रिव्यू लेंगे. So how to draw a clock? We have completed the diagram clock, and these are the steps of the draw the clock. First of all, draw a circle using any round object. सबसे पहले आप कोई भी round object लेंगे, just like the bangles or the teacup of the glass ball. Okay, and then the second step, you should draw the first line is the vertically. Vertically means in the raw, and the horizontal. Horizontal means in the straight line. Okay, in the straight line. Vertically in the column and the horizontal in the row, just like the row. हमने इस तरीके से vertically and the horizontal lines draw की. And the next step, what should we do? Then add 2 points in each boxes and maintain the equal distance from the each other as shown in finger. Take a screenshot of this slide. Yes, these type of the points we can draw. Okay, and now at the last, we put the numbers and draw the 2 lines for the hands. Okay. So this is the steps of the draw the clock. Now the color, after that completing this picture, you should draw this type of the color. We did try to color in the center light color and the outside of the clock you can be draw or the color with the dark color. Now the second is how draw the table. This is the first line. First you draw the 7 centimeter. ऐसा clear ना बेटा? आपको clear है कि 7 centimeter की हम line कैसे draw करेंगे? तो हमारी length 7 centimeter की ये है. And this is the 1 centimeter height. इसकी height 1 centimeter है. So draw the rectangular shape with the help of the 7 centimeter and the 1 centimeter. And after that you put the two dots in the rectangular shape. For which purpose? To draw the 2 more rectangular shape. Okay, you will find this type of the shape, and it is a diagram of a table. And you will color brown color in this table. Now the third one is the chair. How we draw the chair? These are the steps. First, you all again draw the rectangular shape. And what is the measurement of this? 5 centimeter length, and 0.8 centimeter height. 0.8 centimeter height. In the second stage, left or the right draw a line from the top corner. Okay, top corner length is the 5 centimeter and width is the 0.5 centimeter as shown in the finger. In the last stage, then draw the legs of the chair from the insides of the each corner just like that. Okay, what is the measurement of this picture? The 4 centimeter and 0.5 centimeter thick. Okay, beta. Now we will find the diagram of the chair. So color the chair with the brown color or the light pink color or yellow color, but majority we find a chair in a brown color. So these are the previous practice work. This is the homework of the previous class: clock, table and chair. So if any student missed the previous class, take a screenshot of this previous homework slide. Draw a clock and color it, draw a table and color it, and draw a chair. Today's topic, what will we do? Yes. First, I will ask you some question. Raise your hand or the come in the chat box. Tell the name of the things in which you carry your books and copies. Yeah, this is a riddle. Tell the name of the things in which you carry your books and copies. कौन सी चीज है बेटा जो हम books and copies रखने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं? Very good, Rumesa give the answer. Very good. Mashal give the. Mostly students gave me the answer correctly. Very good. Clap for you. Okay. So the right answer is yes, beta. Bag. Very good. Now, the second is you will need this type of the transport to be able to leave a port. Do you know a port? What is the port? Yes, जहाँ पर बहुत सारे जहाज खड़े हुए होते हैं पानी के, that is called the port. And you can then float upon the water. आपने इसको पानी के ऊपर तैरते हुए देखा होगा and cast nets for the fish to be caught. And many type of the pupils caught the fish with the help of the net. Yes, student. What is the answer of this riddle? Wow, every student gave me the right answer. Very good. Clap for all students. Very good. You all are very smart students. The right answer are both. Very good. Now, today's the object drawing is bag, boat, and pomegranates. Every child like the pomegranate fruit. Step to draw the bag. Okay. Yes, I hope every student have your practice copy with yourself. Okay. Now start with me to draw the bag. First step is draw a rectangle of the 7 centimeter. Is it clear na beta? What is the centimeter? 7 centimeter in length and 5 centimeter in height. आपने सबसे पहले 7 सेंटीमीटर की लेंथ की लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है और उसकी और 5 सेंटीमीटर की उसकी हाइट होगी जस्ट लाइक दैट ओके दिस इज द रेक्टेंगुलर शेप the 7 centimeter in length and 5 centimeter is height. Draw two slant lines from the upper part. One slant line and the second slant line. Yes, just like that. Okay. Okay, students, draw with me. Just like that, you will draw. Make a border margin distance 1 centimeter. How? Just like that. Okay. Make a border. You can see on your screen. Margin of the distance 1 centimeter. Okay, beta. Above the rectangular shape, draw a handle by the making two small shapes and join them with the help of the half circle. Yes, just like that. Okay, and this is the complete picture of the bag. You can draw any type of the color in the bag. That is your choice. Okay, beta. Now the second object drawing is pomegranate, anar. What are the steps to draw this diagram? Draw a circle with the help of bangle. Every student have the bangle. If she is a, it is a girl. Okay. So help of the bangle and any round object. Okay, girls, you have the bangles now and any round objects. On the upper side, raise the little part, this type, this area, raise the little part and make crown shape, just like the crown shape. जैसे ताज होता है ना बेटा, just like the crown shape. First you draw the circle with the help of the any round shape and raise the upper part and make the crown. Crown की तरह बनाना है and we find the diagram of the pomegranate. Very easy na? Take a screenshot beta. Okay, which type of the color we will do in the pomegranate? Hurry up, tell me the answer. Who will give me the answer? Yes, come in the chat box. Yes, come in the chat box and give me the answer. Noor Fatma gave me the answer red. Okay, the many students gave me answer and the correct answer. Very good. So we will color in the pomegranate red color. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. I again, I again repeat the, I again repeat the steps of the pomegranates and the diagram. These are the steps. Yes. Take a screenshot and crown shape, upper side like the crown shape. Okay, beta? Okay. Now do the color, red color in the pomegranate. Okay. Now, in the third diagram, to draw a boat. Okay. First, you draw a straight line of 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter line, straight line, draw. Yes, draw with me. Very good. And the second step, draw 2 slant lines below the straight lines of the 2 centimeter and join the base. Okay, just like that. 2 slant line, just like that of the 2 centimeter. Okay, okay, beta. In the first step, you have drawn 8 centimeter line, slant line 2 centimeter, and join the base. This is the base, 6 centimeter line. Okay. Okay. I hope every student with me. Okay. Now, in the third step, what will we do? Draw another line from the center of the straight line of 5 centimeter. This is the straight line of the 6 centimeter and another line from the center of the straight line, 5 centimeter. Draw slant line of the 5 centimeter, just like that. One slant line 5 centimeter and the second line slant line 5 centimeter. Okay, I again repeat the steps of the boat. What will we do to draw the boat? First we draw 8 centimeter line, draw 2 slant line below the straight line. And what is the measurement of this line? 2 centimeter. And for the base, 6 centimeter line, we will draw just like that. Okay. So, in the next step, what will we do? Draw another line from the center of the straight line. Okay. In the first step, we will draw 6 centimeter straight line. In this step, we will draw 5 centimeter line in the center of the line. Okay, beta. Now, next step, draw 2 slant line of the 5 centimeter, just like that. One slant line, 5 centimeter. Okay, and the second slant line, 5 centimeter. And you found a beautiful boat. So fill the beautiful board, beautiful color as you like. Okay. And this is the picture uh, of the board you will see on the screen. Okay, beta? Okay. Now, what is the homework task? Draw a bag and color it. The first question, draw a bag and color it. Draw a pomegranate and color it. Draw a boat and color it. Draw a boat and color it. Okay, beta? Now I repeat three object drawings again. I repeat the slides. Okay, beta? Do book page number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, this is the homework. I again repeat all the slides again. Yes, the first diagram is bag. Yes, the first step of the diagram is 7 centimeter length and 5 centimeter height. You found a rectangular shape. Okay, and the slant line, one line on the base of the slant line. Okay, yes, beta. Take a screenshot. Make a border margin of the distance 1 centimeter. And the third step, yes, just like that. Yes, make a border margin distance 1 centimeter. When you draw the rectangular shape, do you know what is the rectangular shape? The rectangular shape is where the two lines are equal. Okay, two lines are equal. That is called the rectangular shape. But the four sides are equal. We can say that it is the shape of the square. But we will talk about the rectangular shape. Okay, beta? So above the rectangular, draw for the handle by the making two small shapes and the join them with the help of the half circle. Okay. Okay, beta? In center, draw a lock. बैग में लॉक तो होना चाहिए ना, वरना तो चीजें गायब हो जाती हैं, खो जाती हैं. ठीक है. सो आपका स्कूल बैग बिल्कुल रेडी हो गया है. अब आप इसमें अपनी मर्जी का कोई भी कलर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, इजी है ना. सो दिस इज द कलर ऑफ द बैग. इफ यू लाइक द पिंक बैग, if you like the yellow bag, you can color the pink or the orange or the any type of the light color. Okay, step to draw the pomegranate. Okay, friend, one thing clear, please must be clear. आपको अपनी कॉपी में स्टेप नहीं करने हैं, स्टेप नहीं बनाने हैं, आपको डायरेक्टली डायग्राम करनी है. ठीक है बेटा, आपको डायरेक्टली डायग्राम बनानी है. यू डोंट फॉलो द स्टेप्स. इट इज फॉर यू, फॉर द फैसिलिटेट यू. ओके, it is for easier to draw this, but it is not draw in the drawing copy. Okay, and don't need to write the any step in your drawing copy. Okay बेटा, कोई भी स्टेप आपको ड्राइंग की कॉपी में सिर्फ नोट्स की शक्ल में नहीं लिखने. ओके, सो आपको डायरेक्टली डायग्राम बनानी है, आपको स्टेप्स नहीं बनाने हैं. ये आपके लिए आसानी के लिए, आपको समझाने के लिए स्टेप्स यहाँ पर स्क्रीन पे नजर आ रहे हैं. ओके. Okay, I hope every student have taken the screenshot of this diagram. Okay, beta. Now for the board. For the board, these are the steps. First step, straight line 8 centimeter. And the second step, two slant line of the 2 centimeter for the base 6 centimeter of the straight line. Take a screenshot. Take a screenshot for your convenience. Okay, beta? Yes. Okay. Now for the completing the object drawing, This is the next step. Okay. In the center of the line, straight line, 5 centimeter, draw the line. Okay. And two slant line of the 5 centimeter, just like that. Okay. One slant line and second slant line. Okay. And this is the complete picture of the boat. And homework task. Again, I repeat the homework task. First question is, draw a bag and color it. Draw a bag and color it. Question number 2, draw a pomegranate and color it. Draw a pomegranate and color it. Draw a boat and color it. Okay. Now, these three diagrams you should draw in your drawing first term copy, fair copy. Okay. First, you draw the margin line in the both side 1.5 centimeter. Okay. First, you draw the margin for the margin line vertically 1.5 centimeter in the both sides of the page. Okay. And the horizontally, you draw the two more line for the write down the questions. Okay. सबसे पहले आपको टू लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है आपका जो पेज है उसकी दोनों तरफ फॉर द मार्जिन लाइन 1.5 सेंटीमीटर की और फॉर द टॉप ऑफ द पेज you should draw the two horizontal line for write down the questions. Okay. You must write down the questions with the help of pencil or blue color pencil. Don't use any type of the marker. Don't use any type of the black pointer or the pen or the glitter pen. Okay. And one more thing. Don't outline the any type of the object drawn with a dark purple or the black color pencil. Some students are habitual to draw the outline of the any type of the objects with dark black color pencil. आपको बिल्कुल भी outline dark. If you are going to draw the pomegranate, you must draw the outline of this diagram with the red color. Don't use the dark color just like the black or any type of the color. Okay. बहुत सारे बच्चों को ये ऑब्जर्व किया गया है कि कोई भी डायग्राम बना रहे होते हैं उसकी आउटलाइन डार्क कलर से बना रहे होते हैं कि उनकी ब्लैक से उनकी आउटलाइन की और अंदर उन्होंने उस ऑब्जेक्ट का कलर किया. बेटा इट इज रॉन्ग. ओके. आप कोई भी ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं तो पोमीग्रेनेट ड्रॉ करें तो आपकी आउटलाइन भी डार्क सी रेड से ही होनी चाहिए. ओके. सो complete your book work, page number 1, 2 and 3. And what is the name of your book? Yes, Honeybee Art Book. Okay. For the class 2, every student must have your drawing book, drawing fair copy and the practice copy. First you draw the any type of the object drawing in your practice copy and then draw the fair copy. Okay. Draw on the fair copy. Take care and Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much. Bye bye.